I think we're getting some live visuals after the TCS AGM. Can we cut across to that? Yes, we can. We're not cutting across. We're just getting these live visuals. As you can see, the top board members just walking into the AGM. And I think this should be the start of it, considering we've already got, the commentary coming in from N. Chandra as to how bullish he's been sounding, especially on the digital segment. He's saying that the new management transition at TCS has been very smooth and successful. He's saying they are the fastest growing IT service brand. They've grown at a good 15% last year. And the TCS continues to maintain the lowest attrition rate in the sector. I think what's been extremely critical and something that the street would be pleased about, not just the 15% premium that the buyback pricing has been announced at, but the fact that they're saying that digital transformation continues to be the biggest growth driver for TCS. And it was good to hear N. Chandra, the man erstwhile at the helm at TCS, saying these things, considering TCS does not come out with a guidance. So it was only this commentary that the street has something to go on by and latch across to. So they're saying that they've built enormous capabilities in the digital segment. Would be good to hear, as to what he has to say about the BFSI segment as well. And these you can see, these exclusive visuals only with us at TT Now, right outside the AGM. We will soon be going across to my colleague Ashwin Mohan, who's attended that AGM, and perhaps gather more perspective on how confident Chandra sounded, especially about the digital segment and what TCS hopes to, achieve over there. So I guess, you can clearly read between the lines, and the confidence clearly exudes out of them saying that they have built enormous capabilities in the digital segment. The digital transformation continues to be the highest growth driver for TCS. And, like I've been saying at the cost of repeating myself, would be interesting to see what they have to say about order wins, about the kind of booking size and momentum, more importantly, in the digital deals. Considering the start of the year, they were at best just about cautious optimistic. So have they really changed tone on what they hope to hear out in terms of, rather deliver in terms of what the digital segment may do? In fact, we can cut across to Ashwin. And Ashwin, tell us all about not just the TCS buyback, but more importantly about what Chandra had to say on the sidelines at the AGM.
Clearly, the Indian IT sector is seeing a turnaround, but at the same time, there is a lot of pressure on domestic IT companies to return excess cash on their books to shareholders via dividends or buyback offers. TCS, the market leader, has shown the way yet again. It has announced a 16,000 crore mega buyback offer today through the tender route, and the buyback's been priced very, very favorably, almost a 15% premium to the current market price. Many analysts believe that this was higher than what they expected, and this clearly reinforces the fact that the company has a lot of confidence in the business prospects as well as the order pipeline going ahead. Now, TCS has outperformed the market this year. If you look at the year-to-date analysis, it's risen by more than 30%. But it's not the only IT company that is adopting the buyback route. In the past, you've also seen the likes of Infosys and HCL Technologies announcing buybacks. TCS had also announced a similar sized buyback last year. Globally as well, you're seeing companies like Accenture as well as Cognizant announcing buybacks repeatedly. So we'll have to wait and watch to see whether this is now becoming par for the course, these frequent buybacks. I'm standing outside the Birla Matushri in Mumbai, and that's where the AGM proceedings are on as we speak. I'll return to you later in the day with more updates.